Hello, this is Anya, and I come from Yiwu Market Guide. And today is the last video about home decorations. Today, this store is our last store we recommend. And this store is famous for their vases and made of glass and ceramics. And they have many different and special and interesting shapes. Let's go and have a look. I remember last video we recommend the store sells home decorations made of crystal and glaze, and this one is a real glass, so the price will be lower than that two stores. You can see many different special shapes like cat, ox, and some other abstract shapes. For example, this one looks like a man's face. And this one, this area is special. And in that wall is their old styles, but it sells very popular during the international trade. You can see many colors. The pink, I think the cute pink, and in this one blue, yellow, and other products with very beautiful color. And using this one, you can compare about this two. The material is different. In this one, the texture. In this one, texture, they are not the same. They are different. And all of the products, their price is low. It's not expensive, so we can buy these products with a best price. And you can see this one, a special design. Wow. And it's not so heavy. And this one, all the products are made of ceramics. It's Chinese traditional feeders. I think I really like them. And in this wall, they are Europe styles. You can put this in your home or stores you open. And I think if you put these home decorations in your home or stores, and the home will be more pretty. I really like this one. You can see is texture like the silk, right? We wear silk for clothes, but this vase looks like silk. It's really, really beautiful. And you can see this area. The boss said these products export to Mid East and Korea and other countries. All the products are very, very well sold. And the boss said this one sells the best. I think for me it's abstract design. I think this one is like a man's face, and this one is a long nose. It looks like a long nose. I think for me it's really abstract. The most I want to recommend is in this wall. All the products is made of glass, different colors, and the color is very clean. You can see many same products in other stores, but they originated from this store. The original design is from this store. You can see this. You can put something in it. I think you can put perfume in it. Of course, you can put some flowers or other things in it to decorate your home. And you can see in the second floor, they are all ceramics, and it come from Jingdezhen, China. And as we know, Jingdezhen is famous for their ceramics, and it's famous in the world, in the world, involved China. And this one you can see texture. I think the texture is special and different about other products. And this one you can see maybe the same design but different texture. And this one is the most popular in their store. And this one you can see, I think this one looks like a mushroom, and the texture, the material is different and special. You can see this. You can see the voice. And this all of the products are ceramics. All the products in vases. And it's a last wall. And all the products is dark. You can see many beautiful products and with design in it. Many of the products in their store are designed by artists and many designers. So I want to say I recommend you to buy it because with a low price and a good quality. And you don't worry about the package about this fragile products because they have a safer methods to repackage them, such as putting a foam board in the box to protect these products during the transportation. And maybe you want to know how many I can buy the minimum quantity. And I want to tell you that one box, only one box. The minimum quantity you can buy is one box. Okay, today's video is over, and our next topic is about many girls really prefer the product. It's jewelry. So expect us, follow us. In the next video, we will recommend you the best store in Yiwu market.